Go for it.
Hi guys, I have another glitter jar demo since I picked another one. So let's face it, everything would be a lot better if we had more glitter in our lives. I think our lives would be a little more stress-free and relaxing and just fun. And how many of you guys have ever been stressed out and just rather not eat ice cream for 24 hours? Brenda? So in this demo, I will be covering how to make a glitter jar and all the materials you need to make a glitter jar. So first I have two different sets of glitter. I have like the longer strand glitter, this is what it says, longer strand glitter, which is like the bigger glitter, and this is fine glitter, which is really hard to come off, like the surface when you have it on the surface. And this is warm water, which you will need so it can dissolve better with the glue. And I already put the glitter glue in the jar because I thought it was gonna spend a lot of time putting it into the jar, since it's a bigger jar than like the regular bottles that people use in demos to make glitter jars. And I have a whisk to mix the glue and the water so it can like make a better substance, like more manageable to work with the glitter. And this is I'm not sure how big this mason jar is, but it has like the seal cap to go with it so it doesn't spill. And then I have stuff to make it more personal. I personally put it on the cap so it can look cuter when it's sealed. So the first time I ever made a glitter jar was, I'm not sure if you guys remember, it was for like an RA type of program. I think it was like last semester. So I made a glitter jar and I thought it was like fun, relaxing, and it was enjoyable, especially I like to meet new people. And so I decided to make one for you guys for this demo. So what you first do is you put the glitter glue in, and it's about a little bit less than halfway because you're gonna have to mix it with warm water. So I just grabbed like warm water from the bathroom, and you pour the water a little bit more than halfway. And then you mix it with the whisk. Can you guys see this? And then you mix it with the whisk to get like a more thin type of mixture. So you're mixing it, and it should like get a little more watery than what the glitter glue is supposed to do. And then you start picking the colors for the colors that you want to do. So I decided I wanted to do like a galaxy type of theme, so I picked purple glitter glue, and that's all that they had at Walmart too. So
Worked out.
yeah, there was no more clear glue. So I'm gonna use this blue glitter. And I personally like to work with mason jars better because when you do like the bottle kind, it's kind of harder to get it through like the really like small hole at the top. So I don't want too much of the thicker glitter because it kind of like clumps together faster than the fine glitter. And then I'm gonna add this fine glitter, and it's like a pearl color. And you just add like a little bit, so it's like barely noticeable. And then I want to add another purple color to go with it, to go along with the purple that's already in there. And you don't want to add too much because you're still going to add another half of water so it can like dissolve with this. And would anyone like to pick a color?
So like blue?
I like blue. This one?
Yeah.
All right. So those are gonna be the colors. And then let's mix it again so the glue can dissolve, the glitter can dissolve into the glue and get a better mixture. And you wanna make sure that you don't leave it sitting for too long because it's gonna get stuck to the bottom, especially since you don't have the rest of the warm water in there. So then you added the rest of the water. And you start to mix it, and you have to make sure that you get the sides in. And the reason why you want to have warm water is so there's not too many soap, well, not soap bubbles, but like bubbles that are hard to come out of the jar. So then you seal the jar, and I like to make glitter jars to make them look personal, so it looks like it fits your personality. So then you start to like mix it, and then you have a glitter jar. So you gotta add a little bit more water so it can mix well. And I added this ribbon right here so it can like go with the colors. And then you just kind of like play with it. It's like a ratio of glitter to water. And so I think glitter jars are like fun and relaxing to make, and you know, you can do it like with friends, you can do it like by yourself, and these are like really fun to have in your room like while you're studying and doing homework, and well when you're bored and your roommate won't come back. And yeah, well that was my demo for a glitter jar. Any questions?
Thank you.